Troubleshooting on the Trane unit. The rear condenser fan motor ain't operating. So if you notice right here, I'm looking at the 24 volt side. I don't have a call. On here, it is wired for incoming voltage is the let's see. This is the incoming voltage right here. And when it's energized, it's on normally closed. So when it energized, this is supposed to open up. That's supposed to send power to the fan. But once this coil get energized, that opens up. It's supposed to be on a normally open. So when the coil energizes, it closes to send power out on 3. If you come over here to this, you got high voltage coming in. It's supposed to hit 1 normally open contacts on the relay. Once it closes, it sends power to the outdoor motor 2. But it's on 2 for the outgoing side instead of 3 on the relay. And that's why it's not operating. And I'm gonna show you the fan not operating. And I'm gonna show you the repair. So now I got a 24 volt call. But we come over here, that fan ain't running, and this one running. And then if I go from there to the leaving side, that switch is open. But if we go between the other two, I'm sorry, if I go between those two, it's closed. But if I go between these two, it's open, and that's the one the fan connected to. That's why it's not getting power to come on. So I'm about to change it and show you. I have changed the relay around, the wiring. Got an amp draw on the motor. This motor working. And now this motor working.